A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of east-central Benton, northwestern Madison, northern Carroll, and northeastern Washington counties through 10:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:57 a.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated a strong thunderstorm 3 miles southeast of Hobbs State Park, moving northeast at 75 miles per hour. Very heavy sleet and freezing rain is also occurring with this storm. Watch for slick spots that may rapidly develop. Hazard: penny-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor damage to outdoor objects is possible. Locations in or near the path include Berryville, Eureka Springs, Green Forest, Hinesville, War Eagle, Urban Ed, Hobbs State Park, Grandview, Clifty, Forum, Blue Eye, Rock House, Pleasant Ridge, Denver, Best, Lookout, Cabanel. Max hail size 0. 75 in max wind gust. 30 miles per hour. Winter storm warning remains in effect until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time this evening. What? Very light freezing drizzle or flurries will be possible overnight, with areas of light freezing rain and light sleet increasing in coverage this morning. Ice amounts around 1/10 inch will be possible along I-44 with higher amounts around 1/4 inch possible across southeast Oklahoma and northwest Arkansas. The heavier wintry precipitation will shift east of northwest Arkansas by mid to late afternoon. Where? Portions of east central, northeast, and southeast Oklahoma and northwest and west central Arkansas. When? From 6 a.m. Wednesday to 6 p.m. Central Standard Time Thursday. Impacts: power outages and tree damage are likely due to the ice. Travel could be nearly impossible. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commute. Your local radar. The current conditions at Rogers: light snow fog/mist. 23 degrees. Winds are calm. Humidity is 92%. Dew point is 21 degrees. Ceiling is 1,100 feet. Visibility is 0 miles. Barometric pressure is 30.21 inches and rising. Latest observations for the following cities: Bentonville fog/mist. Regional forecast for Thursday for the following cities: Hot Springs freezing rain then rain/freezing rain with a high of 36. Memphis rain likely with a high of 38. Oklahoma City chance wintry mix then mostly cloudy with a high of 26. Springfield wintry mix with a high of 22. Tulsa wintry mix likely then patchy wintry mix with a high of 27. Wichita chance snow with a high of 23. Goodland 3W decreasing clouds with a high of 33. Sparta wintry mix likely then wintry mix with a high of 29. Regional forecast for Thursday night for the following cities. Hot Springs slight chance rain then mostly clear with a low of 23. Memphis rain then mostly cloudy with a low of 28. Springfield slight chance snow showers then mostly cloudy with a low of 12. Wichita mostly clear with a low of 11. Tulsa decreasing clouds with a low of 12. Sparta wintry mix likely then mostly cloudy with a low of 22. Oklahoma City mostly clear with a low of 11. Goodlet 3W mostly clear with a low of 12. Regional observations for the following cities. Hot Springs fog/mist 31. Memphis winter storm warning in effect until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time this evening, rest of today. Light freezing rain likely late in the morning. Light sleet likely through the day. Chance of light freezing rain and scattered flurries in the afternoon. Patchy light freezing drizzle late in the afternoon. Less than an inch new sleet accumulation. New ice accumulation of less than 1/4 of an inch. Highs in the upper 20s. Light winds becoming northwest around 10 miles per hour in the afternoon. Chance of precipitation 70%. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Wind chill readings 5 below to 0 after midnight. Friday. Mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-30s. North winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Wind chill readings 5 below to 0 in the morning. Friday night. Partly cloudy. Lows around 19. Northeast winds up to 10 miles per hour. Saturday. Partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 40s. East winds around 10 miles per hour shifting to the north in the afternoon. Saturday night. Mostly clear. Lows in the lower 20s. Air quality forecast for Thursday. Springdale, Fayetteville, Bentonville, good with an air quality index of 38. Extended forecast. Thursday wintry mix. Your local radar.